Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another episode of Junk Journal July for 2025. Let's grab our junk journal and go on a little nature adventure for today's prompt of forest. I had a good time strolling all around in the forest and just enjoying nature a bit before then getting back to my desk to enjoy a good cup of coffee while creating today's prompt. At the moment I'm really obsessed with iced coffee again. It's just, I don't know, so hot lately in the summertime, so iced coffee is keeping us cool. Now here I'm just flipping through the pages and deciding which page would be the perfect one to do today's prompt on, and then I decided on this little illustration here on the page you can see like a little cabin, and I thought maybe that could be a cabin in the woods, so it kind of fits the vibe for the spread, and I decided to just use some wood themed napkins and washi tape for the spread. Here I'm just taking a bit of the washi tape again away because I thought it would have a too stripe-like pattern in a way. I don't know if it makes sense, but I really didn't want to have it the complete side of the page here and decided to instead use this bigger version of the leaves on the napkin for the spread here. And then I'm just adding that to the page and see where I will go from there. Sometimes it's just, this was again a page where I just added some bits and bobs here and some bits and bobs there without having a plan in the beginning, in a way. So here I'm debating if I should cover up the whole downside of the page, and then decided to do something else instead and add some more of the napkin pattern on the back side of the page. So in a way we are doing nearly 3 pages for today. We will have to see what will be the other day that I put behind here, and hopefully the forest theme kind of napkin fits the vibe then. But we will make it work in a way. And I feel like in the original plan when I made the journal for Junk Journal July, I always planned on creating a double spread for each day, and I'm not doing that at the moment fully, so maybe I also could just leave the page with the napkin here and maybe just add something on top. We will see. I just also thought it would be fun to just add some more writing and maybe some photographs or something to document life lately. And maybe I will do that later on. We will see. And sometimes I always want to do that in my junk journals, and then in the end I never do. So we have to see if I take the time to get out some photos. Here I'm just adding some more nature-themed washi tape bits and bobs. I really like to, if I have a washi tape that has somehow those motifs, like the little postcard stamps or here these stones, I like to cut around them to get rid of the white washi background, especially when I glue it down on pages where the background isn't white. I feel like it helps the object to stay out without having the background that would be blending in but isn't really when we have like brown paper underneath or something. Here I'm just adding a few dots. I just really always add dots or stars to a spread when I don't know, as a little filler element in a way. And here I decided to add a quote that just says, "Let's go to the woods and recharge." I feel like being in nature is such a good place to relax and wind down and recharge our batteries for our busy lives in the cities and everything. So I really like to take my time every now and then and go for a walk, or just sit in a forest or at the river or just in nature, enjoy the singing of birds and allow ourselves to relax. I feel like we oftentimes are so focused on productivity nowadays that we sometimes miss to just sit around and do nothing. In a way, yeah. For me, it's always good to find my way back to nature, just have a bit of me time. I really wanted this page to remind me to take some time in nature every once in a while. And here I'm just adding my go-to label for the day with day 9 and our theme for the day of forest. Really happy to keep the labeling of the days consistent with this label maker. And I'm really, really happy with how this challenge is going along so far. I hope you are having a good time being creative with me, and I hope you enjoyed today's creative nature session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very, very soon. Until then, happy creating.